Bitcoin is down for the third day in a row. And as the price drops, we are beginning to look towards neutral territory. Now, please understand this. Just because we're in neutral does not mean we're looking at a reversal anytime soon. In fact, based on current signals, we are looking at a potential further drop, either to structure support, or we're finally going to break out of this bear flag pattern and find the absolute bottom of the bear market. Now, today's future forecast actually focused on how you can profit during this major drop. We are turning the bear market into a bull market with a combination of expert risk management and through short trading through SBIT. So if you're looking to profit on the move down, you need to watch the future forecast posted today. Tomorrow is our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout where we're giving live coaching and Q&A with our members as well. So if you're not a member yet, be sure to sign up at the links in the description down below. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. On the daily time frame, we see we are actively in mild caution. And when we hit this level, especially in a bear market, this is typically going to correlate to a top, especially when we get red dots, which also call local top in a bear market. What we're going to do here, which is a little bit out of the usual, but we're going to head to the 4-hour time frame. And what I want you to notice here is at the same peaks here and here, we were sitting in high greed and extreme greed. This is very helpful for actually calling moves within the whole bear flag pattern. And because we reached this top and got so high, we're able to catch the exact top as well. And as the price drops towards structure support, we want to see a reading in fear or max fear. If that happens on the 4-hour time frame, this is where we're likely to see a bounce. But if we are still in, say, mild caution to concern, there is a further possibility of a crash to the downside because the bottom signals have not been met yet. On the 4-hour, at least for my purposes where I'm looking for longer term trades, I'm not really using the Pro Trade Manager. In order to catch the best entry on the Pro Trade Manager, this is where I'm instead watching the daily time frame. If the price drops below structure support, in order to buy on the market cycle highs and lows, I want to see fear and max fear. Remember, this is the daily time frame. Fear and max fear will likely happen if we've crashed below support. On the 4-hour, it'll likely happen around here. Daily, it'll happen far lower. On the daily, if we get a Pro Trade Manager signal of a green dot at the same time as fear and max fear, this is where we're looking for the best potential entry opportunity. Now, those of you that are looking to make money right now and are anticipating a drop, entering a trade into SBIT, which is an inversely correlated asset against Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin drops, SBIT actually increases. This is one of the ways we are making money, in addition to setting buy limits farther and farther down the price of Bitcoin and our other assets to catch ideal entry opportunities as the price drops. The combination here is setting us up for lots of profits as the price drops and even more profits once the bull market starts. Again, if you want more information on how that works, be sure to watch the future forecast posted today. Now I want to show you some proof of this entry signal. Check out the 2022 bear market where we saw fear and max fear with green dots calling potential ideal entry opportunities. And in fact, this green dot here called the bottom of the bear market exactly. Back in 2018 to 2019, again, fear with a green dot called the exact bottom. Max fears with green dot called a very close point to the bottom of the bear market. You want to watch this carefully, and if you're not ready and prepared when these signals appear, you may be missing out on major profit. So if you're looking to make money only on the way up, you need to have these indicators on your chart. Let's set some alerts real quick. Create alert, market cycle highs and lows, fear, once per bar close, click create. Next alert, market cycle highs and lows again, this time it'll be max fear, once per bar close and click create. Last alert, Pro Trade Manager, once per bar close. We're just looking for that long entry, short take profit. Click create. If you see fear or max fear show up on your trading device, make sure you have TradingView installed on your phone and with notifications set up. If you see a notification that says Fear or Max Fear has appeared at the same time as a long entry short take profit, this could be a great place to enter. Whether you dollar cost average or go all in at that point, of course, we recommend dollar cost averaging just because it's safer, not financial advice. That is where you want to be looking for a potential entry. This is what we are using to trade our $1.7 million portfolio, and this is what our traders are using to trade hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars in total. Lots of money is riding on these indicators, and you want to make sure you are a part of it, because missing out could mean missing out on hundreds or even thousands of dollars or more in profit. Money-making benefits like the Future Forecast and Inner Circle Live Zoom Hangout on top of major discounts on the indicators are available in the description down below at the second link. This is where you can sign up for a membership. We're giving you 25% off your first month. That's less than $50 to get started. Head to the AI Indicator tab. Pro Trade Manager is what you're looking for. Reveal the coupon code here and write it down. It's going to be really important. Check out on Gumroad. I want this. Market cycle highs and lows. Add to cart, throw in that membership code. It's actually going to give you $150 off each of these two indicators for $300 off total. Fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that brand new Future Forecast video and tomorrow's Inner Circle Live Zoom Hangout. Don't miss out.